How are you all doing? Today's video is to talk to you about weight loss, specifically because this is something that is really hard to achieve. People do lots of weird things to achieve it, like crazy old diets. There are even diets where they just have to drink fluids and liquids. Some people work out every day, and working out sometimes takes way too long for them to get results. I'm here today to talk to you about something known as MITOLYN, a dietary supplement aimed at enhancing your weight loss and overall health by improving your mitochondrial function. This process helps your cells convert nutrients into energy, and MITOLYN works to fix that. MITOLYN has a lot of great things to offer. Its formula includes many natural ingredients. If you would like to lose weight quickly and in a totally natural way, MITOLYN is definitely something you should try. I've included their official webpage in the description box of this video, where you can go to purchase it. Everything you need to know about MITOLYN and more is right there. MITOLYN is quite interesting. It enhances mitochondrial function, improving energy levels, metabolism, and even offering anti-aging benefits. Its formulation is built around the powerful antioxidant-rich maqui berry, along with 6 key natural ingredients including rhodiola, theobroma cacao, amla, and others. By targeting multiple aspects of health, MITOLYN creates an optimal internal environment for weight management and overall vitality. Its effectiveness comes from focusing on mitochondrial function, which is crucial for cellular energy production and metabolism. In simple terms, it helps transform the nutrients you eat into energy and increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn fat every day. MITOLYN also helps suppress your appetite, which is something many people struggle with. By curbing your appetite, it becomes easier to lose weight. This holistic approach makes MITOLYN a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to manage their weight and improve their overall well-being. The ingredients in MITOLYN are natural, with no side effects or contraindications. That's why MITOLYN is such a strong option for weight loss. It reduces oxidative stress, lowers fatigue, boosts energy and proactiveness, increases your metabolic rate, and improves endurance and focus. For the best results, take 1 capsule a day with a large glass of water. If MITOLYN doesn't meet your expectations, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. You can contact customer service for a refund. Check out their official webpage now to learn more about MITOLYN. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!